trends are out, and it seems that National Conference and Congress, the India Alliance, is already there on the magic number, and in fact, it may even go beyond that. Then you also have the PDP, which has made its stand clear that they are ready to support this alliance. Congress also has said, Farooq Abdullah also said that the PDP obviously is welcome, and this is a bigger goal. More than making the government, it is about keeping the BJP away and restoring the dignity and the rights of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. We've been joined by Mr. Tariq Hamid Karra, who's the president of the Pradesh Congress. First, satisfied with this result, or it's like it's beyond what you expected? Because I think exit polls were giving around 40-45 seats, but it seems that you're going to touch 50.
Well, I have been maintaining it that what the exit polls are saying are quite satisfactory, but we may go beyond this number as well. So today what we are seeing is that we are heading towards more than 50 number is very satisfactory, and I would like to thank the people in general who made this possible and who voted very diligently to keep BJP away and to keep the corridors of power free from such oppressive and repressive people, and side by side who have been indulging in divisive and hate politics throughout the country, which was affected by Jammu and Kashmir as well.
Right. So a lot of debate about PDP, because many people say that if PDP comes with this alliance, it will give it stability. So where does the Congress see PDP from here on? Although they are also saying that they are absolutely open to this, they can come into this alliance.
See, I have been maintaining it from the day first that any person, any organization, any political party who is on the same page, who are like-minded to keep BJP away from the power corridors, is welcome. And in that case, I would not like to qualify anyone, even this time also. So it is for them to see the larger perspective of the Jammu and Kashmir politics. And I hope that many such people who are on the same page would come forward to extend their support to it, to give this government inclusivity and stability, and to, as I say, that it would be the beginning of a new struggle. That is to get this statehood back, along with the right to land and right to this jobs. Right. So I'm hopeful that it's going to be a very strong and stable government.
Right. So now, obviously, it seems that the time is slowly coming close of power sharing between NC and the Congress. So what model are you expecting, or are you expecting discussions on that now? Because many are saying that probably, like the last time, it could be a sharing, wherein for half of the term there could be a chief minister from the Congress, half of the time the National Conference.
Of course, there has to be some discussion on it. And primarily, first discussion would be between the local unit of the Congress and the National Conference. And in between, our central leadership will also have discussions with us as well as our alliance partners. And whatever our central leadership decides, we'll follow that.
Right. Lastly, sir, are we seeing Tariq Hamid Karra also as the chief ministerial candidate?
That can't be said right now. I said that whatever our central leadership says, we'll follow that.
And also, because National Conference obviously is the bigger partner in this alliance. So is it that you'll have to toe their line, or is it that the Congress itself also has certain things that it will ensure that its cadre and the leaders get their share, because they've also worked in this elections?
See, first of all, this alliance was as per the wishes of the people. That was to keep the BJP away. And secondly, alliance means sharing the power. So we have to formulate a model whereby it goes very smooth, it goes inclusive, and it remains stable. So discussions and debates are expected to happen. And I'm sure that we'll sail smooth.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. There was Tariq Hamid Kara, president of Jammu Kashmir Pradesh Congress, obviously very happy because the performance of the alliance partners has been over and above expectations, and already they are touching around 50 seats, which means that they are well past the majority mark. And if the PDP also comes along, which seems the case because Farooq Abdullah and even Congress is not averse to that, so that will provide stability to the government. But what will be the power sharing model? Obviously, now discussions will be on that. But obviously, National Conference being the bigger partner would want a bigger chunk. But the big question is, will it again be like the previous model of two chief ministers with equal terms from both the parties? That could be a serious topic of discussion in this power sharing model. But as of now, big news and happy news for the NC Congress alliance that by all probability, they are past the majority mark and could be forming the next government in Jammu and Kashmir very soon. Campus and Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.